This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to convert a Pages file to Word or PDF format. So I'm right here on a Pages document. As you can see right here, we've got Pages open, and I've actually got this text right here which shows you how to do what we're actually doing in this video. I just thought, well, I've got to have a demo text here for this document, so I may as well actually put the instructions on how to do it on each of the devices, which is obviously what we're going to show in this video. So there are a few different ways you can do this, but the easiest way is just to come up to the top right here. So I'm on desktop, as you can see, and we will click on File, and then we will come down about halfway down to Export to. And then we have all of these different options. So we have the PDF one here, we have the Word one here, we can also do EPUB, plain text, rich text format, we can turn it into images, or we can do it into the old format of Pages, the 09 version. So this video is about PDF and Word, so I'll show you PDF first of all. So we're on Export to, and then we click PDF. And now we have some options for PDF. We can select the image quality, so best, better, and good. So obviously good is the weakest, although it sounds pretty decent. Then we've got better and best. So in general, we'll go for best. We can include comments, smart annotations, and we can require a password to open if we really want to. Actually, password protected. There are some advanced options here that concern accessibility, if you need those as well. So what you will do is you will then click Save, and you will choose where to save. So I could put it on the desktop, for instance. Obviously, we're going to come up with a name. So this one, we'll just call this one PDF, and then we'll click on Export. And just like that, we have our PDF on the desktop. And now, in the same way, we would go File, we would come down to Export to, and then for Word, we will click on Word. Now, there's just the password option here. You can have it password protected if you so desire. You've also got the other options here if you want to come across and see the options for those. But we have just done PDF. We're going to do Word now. We will literally click Save. It's going into the desktop. And we will, by default now, and we will click on Export. That's creating the Word file. And now I'll just back out of this and I'll show you my desktop. I have the PDF. And if I open it up so you can see it inside a folder, we actually have the Word file right here. You can see that's a Word file, Microsoft Word document, and then the PDF is in the PDF format, and it is the same file. We've just converted it into Word and PDF. And again, going back to Pages, you can do this export process for a whole bunch of other different options, as we explained, everything from PDF, Word, EPUB, plain text, rich text, so on and so forth. Hopefully you found this video on how to convert from Pages to PDF or Word useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.